what's up? Adrian here and welcome to the Unboxed. So you won't believe what we have for unboxing today. Another pair of QCY wireless earbuds, and that's the model HT01C. So let's start with the unboxing, continue with the testing and finish with a short review. So I don't think the unboxing is pretty different from the other ones. So as you can see here, we have quite a different design from the previous ones. So that's pretty much what you get in the box. Short USB-C cable, the ear tips and tricks, and the manual, and let's see the headphones. As you can see, this time we have the earbuds in the case, so they're not outside. This is quite a different design from the other ones. You can see it's like really different. It has the QCY logo here on top, and we have the USB-C here for charging, and these are the earbuds, which look quite different, really different. They have a really big QCY logo here, and they have some things to remove so you can charge them. You can see they're already on, and let's start testing them. So this design is really different from the other ones. You can see the logo on top, and it's really like I'm not sure what kind of shape is this, but it's really made for basically like standing on a desk or something, because the other one is pretty easy to like grab it. You can put it in a pocket, but this one is a bit heavier on your pocket. I mean, like it's gonna be like sticking out. You're gonna feel it in your pocket, this one. I think this is made more for like carrying in a backpack or in your purse maybe, or in some sort of bag, not in your pocket. That's what I mean. But I do like the different design on this earbud. Yeah, so this is like really like a round design, quite easy to plug in, and I like that they just quite snap in their place. So when you throw them inside, they just go to their place and start charging. Really easy. They do seem a bit harder to take from the case, I think, because this top is round. They seem a bit harder to grab with your fingers. Let's see how they go. Right, left. Yeah, so first impressions on the ears. I think the other ones were a bit more comfortable than these ones. These ones feel a bit like they are pressing on the ears. I think that's because they sort of go more inside your ear. But yeah, the other ones feel a bit more comfortable because I believe they sit more on the outside. Of course, this has an advantage because you will lose them harder. So in case you like, they will stay more in your ears. Probably the other ones will fall more easily from your ears. I haven't tested that, so now let's connect them and play some music. So we have them here, QCY HT01C connected. Okay, so let's go to our favorite music licensing platform, which is artlist.io. You have a link in the description, and also 2 months for free if you want to go through my link in case you're interested. So these ones do have in-ear detection, because when you take it off your ear, there's like a small sensor in between the charging pins, and then if you cover that, it will start playing. If you remove your finger, it will stop playing. So basically when it's in your ear, it will start playing. When you take it off, it's gonna stop playing. So this one really has in-ear detection. Moving to the sound, I can see this one is louder than the other ones, but the bass is not as good as the previous one. It's there, the bass is okay, but not as good as the other one. The other one felt like it's a bit more bassier, and this one, because it goes further in your ear, it feels like it's isolating the sound around you better than the other ones. But the sound quality, not at its best, I would say. I mean, it's okay, it's good, but it has less bass than the other one. The mids is there, and when you crank the volume up at the highest, it really gets loud, and the highs go too high. They overpower the bass, and maybe the mids a bit, but they definitely overpower the bass when you go at the highest volume. So if you want a good listening experience, don't go at highest volume, because it will definitely take over the bass, and it has better bass at a lower volume. Not the best, but better. This one seems like it ran out of battery, but one thing you can do, you can listen to one earbud at a time. Convenient. So we also have touch panels on this one, and and it's easier for you to use them, I would say, because it's not like a very big area where you don't know exactly where the touch panels are. It's just exactly like on the logo. Also, it's harder for you to accidentally press the touch area because you probably take your earbud from your ear like this and you won't touch the touch area, the touch panels. This one feels like a bit of a better design from that standpoint. So as you can see, it has its pluses and minuses, the case and the earbuds as well. And I forgot to mention on the last one, it has this voice assistant. So what does this mean? It will go to Siri. When you're double or triple pressing the touch panel and it goes to voice assistant, that voice assistant is whatever your voice assistant default is on your phone. So in my case Siri, and in your case if you have an Android, probably Google Assistant. So what I'm also curious about this earbud is how are they working with the app. I can see it is a bit hard to connect with some of the earbuds, but let's try again, because the first time I opened the app it just showed me these earbuds. They're connected but I can't find them. Pretty weird with some devices that when you connect them once and you don't connect them properly, then they don't want to connect properly until you disconnect them and connect them again. Okay, scan to add, connect there. I'm not sure if it's just with these earbuds, or we'll see in the review and the comparison if the other earbuds have the ANC settings as well, but this one has ANC settings. So we also have the default, pop, basic, and as you can see you cannot customize the effect in the ANC mode. I'll just go normal. I think they fixed the previous bug, which was when you would leave the app in the background it would pop to default. Now it just stays, at least with these earbuds, which is a good thing. They're working on it. The in-ear detection, we can turn it on and off. Really cool. So they've added some new features, but it does continue to not have like really good reviews on the App Store. That's what I'm seeing. The app is not the best. Sometimes it's a bit harder to connect with your earbuds, but once you're connected it's okay. You can change some settings. Basically you change your settings, you don't really need to use the app like every day, but it does bug me because it's quite hard for you to connect sometimes. So as with the other one, we can change what the single tap, double tap and triple tap does. We have no effect, play, pause, skip track, voice assistant, volume, gaming mode and ANC. Other than that, pretty much the same experience. Find headset, play sound, same sound. Yeah, the sound is not that loud, but you know, they are earbuds. How loud can they be? So what do I think about this? Let's see. The case, it's not for your pocket, it's for your bag, for your purse, for your backpack, not your pocket, because you will definitely feel this round corners because it's really like bulky. And the design is not bad. It has the QCY logo on top. It's interesting if you put it on shelf or something, or nightstand. It looks good. Going to the earbuds, yeah, I definitely like that they actually have in-ear detection. I like and don't like. It depends on the people. If you put them in your ears, so they're not so comfortable because they go deeper in your ears, but because they go deeper in your ears, you will have much better noise isolation. And the ANC, I'm not sure how big of a difference can make at this point because of that, but yeah, they're less comfortable. They isolate the noise better. It's harder for you to touch accidentally the panels, which is good. It's easier to put them in your case, but it's a bit harder to take them out. And the sound is not at its best. I mean, the bass, for me at least, it can be better. The highs, if you go at the highest volume, it goes a bit too much over, but I think you can actually customize that from your app, so the highs won't go over what you want when you go at the highest volume. But we'll try that on the review, so stay tuned for that. And last but not least, because I've had a comment on the other video saying that where is the mic test? So let's do a mic test as well. So testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. You can hear how does it sound. How does the QCY HT01C sound? You can hear that right now. Check out the QCY HT01C review next. Thank you for watching. There's a link in the description below if you're looking to get the QCY HT01C. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this kind of videos.